42 healthy dinner ideas for weight loss. When weight loss is your aim, you need to reduce your total calorie intake by around 500 calories a day. This equates to an intake of approximately 1,200–1,400 calories per day for women, or around 1,800 calories a day for men, depending upon height, weight, and activity levels. Number 1. How many calories per meal to lose weight? At dinner time, women should aim for between 300 to 400 calories, while men should keep to 400 to 500 calories by adding some extra protein, whole grains, or good fats. Ensure there is a lean source of protein such as chicken, fish, legumes, tofu, meat, or eggs, and aim at least for 2–3 serves of vegetables. Add a salad of extra greens such as rocket, spinach, lettuce, cherry tomatoes, and chopped cucumber, if necessary, to boost the veg content for negligible calories. Number 2. Recommended exercise per week. While what you eat is critical for weight loss, increasing physical activity and exercise will also help you reach your goal, especially if you tend to be sedentary and sit all day at work. Incidental exercise such as taking the stairs instead of the lift or parking a block away from where you need to go does all add up. Physical activity guidelines recommend, for good health, we are active on most days and accumulate 2.5 – 5 hours of moderate intensity physical activity, or 1 1/4 2.5 hours vigorous intensity every week. It is also important to include muscle strengthening activities on at least 2 days of the week. Read on for 42 dinner ideas that all come in at under 400 calories per serve. Number 3. Japanese chicken with greens and rice. This healthy chicken and rice dinner is full of Japanese flavors and is perfect for busy weeknights. Number 4. Healthy Spanish chicken and beans. Searching for healthy meal prep recipe ideas? This low-cal one-pan chicken and beans dish ticks all the right boxes. Number 5. Healthier chicken and veggie one pot. This lighter chicken and veg casserole will cure all your comfort food cravings without derailing your healthy eating plan. Number 6. In-season asparagus is easy and delicious, grilled until just tender, while cherry tomatoes add sweetness and color to this vibrant chicken dish. Number 7. Healthy harissa chicken, lentil and kale tray bake, packed full of flavor. This healthy tray bake has over 3 serves of veg per serve and with added protein of chicken and lentils. It is a great winter dinner option that will impress all the family. Number 8. Lemon chicken noodle salad. Flash fried chicken strips and fresh lemon dressing puts a healthy spin on the much-loved Vietnamese noodle salad. Number 9. Braised lentils with cumin spiced chicken. Lentils and fragrant chicken combine for a gluten-free meal, high with protein, low in fat, and light on the pocket. Number 10. Low-cal chicken burgers with sweet potato and beetroot chips. Looking for a healthier burger that you will love? Try this low-cal succulent chicken burger topped with healthy veggies. You can have chips too. Just swap regular chips for these crispy sweet potato and beetroot chips. Number 11. Sweet potatoes with chicken and jalapeno slaw. They say eat the rainbow, and that could not be more true of this colorful sweet potato parcel. Packed with protein-rich black beans, this dish is hearty but low in fat. Number 12. Peri-peri chicken and zoodle salad. Prepare this gluten-free peri-peri chicken and zoodle salad the night before to ensure there is enough time for the chicken to soak up all the saucy goodness. Number 13. Ginger pork stir-fry with veggie noodles from wok to plate in 20 minutes. This easy pork and noodle stir-fry is a weeknight winner. Number 14. Smoky pork with corn. Lean pork cuts are not only low in fat, they're also full of B vitamins, essential for energy production, plus iron, magnesium, and zinc. Serve the smoky pork with deliciously sweet grilled veggies for a hit of beta-carotene and vitamin C. Number 15. Sticky pork skewers with wombok slaw. This easy, sticky Asian pork and wombok recipe is perfect for lunch or dinner, and it's low in calories. Marinate it as long as you can for maximum flavor. Number 16. Black rice tamari pork and roasted pumpkin salad. The tender tamari pork tastes amazing with the golden pumpkin nuggets in this low-cal warm salad. Number 17. Almond crumbed pork with Asian slaw. This low-calorie pork schnitzel makes a colorful family meal when served with a vibrant bok choy, red cabbage, and apple slaw. Number 18. Sticky honey lamb with carrot and lentil slaw, ready in just 25 minutes. These lamb cutlets make for a quick, easy, and healthy weeknight meal. Number 19. Warm wasabi beef and zoodle salad. Searching for a healthy dinner idea? Try this Asian-inspired zoodle salad with spicy beef. Number 20. Beef kibbeh with roasted pumpkin hummus. Roast pumpkin takes this homemade hummus to a whole new level of deliciousness. Number 21. Grilled beef salad with chili peanut dressing. Beef strips get turned into a spicy, summery salad that'll brighten up your plate. Number 22. Open burger with sweet potato chips. If you love a good burger, this open beef version with sweet potato fries will really hit the spot. Plus, it's low-calorie and gluten-free. Number 23. Pumpkin and chickpea pizza with prawns. This gluten-free pizza recipe will satisfy your cravings while also being a little bit fancy. Delicious prawns on a pumpkin and chickpea pizza base is all you need to create the dinner of your dreams. Number 24. Fish tacos with chipotle avocado. These healthy fish soft tacos will be a dinnertime hit with the whole family. Number 25. Black rice, prawn and asparagus stir-fry. This colorful stir-fry is a healthy combination of prawns, crunchy vegetables, and antioxidant-rich black rice. Number 26. Salmon, chia, and broccoli fish cake. Scanned salmon is a budget-friendly and healthy addition to these gluten-free fish cakes. Number 27. Mexican prawn salad. This gluten-free prawn salad is an amazing combination of textures and flavors. Number 28. Healthy salmon and zucchini salad with almond dressing, ready in 20 minutes. This fresh salmon salad makes for an easy dinner and great leftovers the next day. Number 29. Piri-piri fish with charred corn salad. Turn up the heat on the barbecue and enjoy this winning fish dinner, ready in just 30 minutes. Number 30. Barramundi with pumpkin, carrots, and lentils. This healthy dinner features sustainably farmed Australian barramundi and root vegetables, all bursting with potent macronutrients to help keep you active. Number 31. Crispy salmon with zucchini salad. Fresh herbs add a huge dose of flavor to the salmon, with negligible kilojoules and no fat. Number 32. Spicy prawn tacos with bean salad. Using nutrient-packed veggies, such as beans and tomatoes, to bulk out these low-cal tacos makes them just as delicious and satisfying as regular tacos. Number 33. Cauliflower fried rice with prawns. Low-cal and high in vitamins. Cauliflower is a clever alternative to traditional fried rice. Number 34. Spiced coconut tofu with pumpkin and broccolini. Impress friends with this easy vegan dinner that's gluten-free too. Number 35. Roasted broccoli and noodle salad with sesame dressing, with edamame, broccoli, and pomegranates, all tied together with soba noodles. This colorful vegan bowl has everything you need, and it is a cinch to make. Number 36. Spicy grilled pumpkin and tofu salad. Add some color to your day with this fresh pumpkin and tofu salad. Grilled to perfection, it has just enough spice to give your healthy dinner a kick. Number 37. Grilled tofu with brown rice, Asian greens, and chili sesame dressing with a sticky soy chili dressing and plenty of char. Grilled tofu. This hearty vegetarian dish is sure to satisfy. Number 38. Kale, quinoa, and roasted pumpkin pilaf. This hearty vegan pilaf combines sweet pumpkin, crunchy pepitas, and healthy kale with spice-filled quinoa. Number 39. Harissa roasted cauliflower with beetroot yogurt and candied walnuts. Pair harissa roasted cauliflower with beetroot yogurt and candied walnuts for a sensational vegetarian salad. Number 40. Quick Thai noodle salad. For a quick and easy vegetarian main, try this flavorsome Thai noodle salad, tossed with soft tofu, fresh herbs, and seasonal vegetables. Number 41. Halloumi bacon and broccolini with sweet potato noodles. Give this healthy vegetarian salad with sweet potato spaghetti a smoky bacon flavor by tossing cubes of halloumi and paprika. Number 42. Healthy baked sweet potato, red onion, and chickpeas. This healthy vegetarian tray bake is a delicious dinner option, loaded with zucchini, capsicum, sweet potato, and chickpeas, which is a great source of protein.